Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I got my hands on some of the ColourPop Cosmetics Hocus Pocus collection. I'm super excited about this one. I saw that they were coming out with it. I'm like, okay, that's one I have to get. It's like non-negotiable. I didn't buy the whole collection. I just bought a couple of things. So I got the palette, and then I got the lip kit in the I Am Beautiful Lip Duo, and then I got the two glitters in Amok, 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 and Another Glorious Morning. They're so cute. Like, I can't. And then I was like, yeah, in the future Halloween videos, I can like put this collection up here in this case and make it look all cute for Halloween. So, you know, trying to justify it every way I can. So I'm bringing you two looks with this palette. The first look I'm gonna do is like more of like a wearable look. And then the next look I'm gonna do is more of like a super fun Halloween vibes, night out type of look. Like if you can even go out. Let's go ahead and jump on into it. Obviously, there'll be like eye only tutorials, so let's get started. Okay, so if you were online trying to get this palette, you know what a pain in the butt it was. I literally refreshed my web browser for 2 hours straight practically trying to get this thing, and then they're like, no, never mind, too many technical difficulties, we're coming back tomorrow. So I came back tomorrow and I got it. So, and it actually shipped a lot quicker than like say my Sandstone palette. I feel like my Sandstone palette took a lot longer to get here. I'm not sure when I'm posting that. It'll probably be like in the middle of these two videos. So look out for that one. And then I also just want to mention too, I did just get my eyebrows, my microblading touched up about 2 days ago. Well, yeah, it's Sunday and I had them done on Friday night. So yeah, 2 days. So they are definitely at that point where they're looking like a little crusty, a little scabby. Honestly, I kind of like it because it gives them like a 3D-ish type of look. Like it actually has like a 3D look, but they're very dark. It's just the way it goes. So once the makeup's completely on, it'll look good. Right now I look a little, it's a lot. I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes with my P. Louise Acid Rain Blank Canvas. Of course, I'm gonna grab my eye shields here. I'm gonna grab my M504 brush, and I'm gonna start out with this color right here called Hello Salem. Just gonna buff this into the crease here. Then I'm gonna grab my M124 brush, and I'm gonna take that on this color right here called Full Moon. Now grabbing this M513 brush, I'm gonna grab this color right here called On Toast, and I'm going to start building up this outer V and into the crease and deepening that. Now I'm going to grab my E17 brush, and I'm going to go in with this color right here called Coven, and I'm just going to continue to place this on the outer V. Ooh, I didn't know how much I was going to like the glitter in it, but like I'm just feeling it with this collection. Now taking my M210, I'm going to grab Come Little Children, and I'm just going to start taking this onto the eyelid. And then on that same brush, after it's been cleaned off, I'm going to grab Wench. And I'm going to focus this more onto the inner corner area and then into kind of like the inner half, but not quite. And then just to spice it up a little bit, on that same brush, I'm going to go in with Goodbye Cruel World. Goodbye Cruel World. And I'm going to focus this kind of on top of the outer half. I like how this color has like a duochrome to it. Now using my finger, I'm going to go in with Brew Potion. I know it says not intended for immediate eye area. We all know why that's on there. And I'm just going to tap that onto eyelid, like all over the eyelid. Now just grab my JH42. I'm going to go in with the same Brew Potion, and I'm going to take that on top of the areas where I just couldn't quite get with my finger. I think that's my best tip, is that you go in with your finger first and then touch it up with a brush after. And then, last but not least, I'm going to go in with Another Glorious Morning. I know these are not supposed to go on your eye area, of course. Where did my fingers go? And I'm going to grab just a sponge tip applicator with this. And I'm just going to layer that on top just so we can get those flecks. Oof, so pretty. I love how like being layered on top of that other glitter gives it like even more dimension. Now I'm just gonna go in and line my eyes. I'm gonna use my Kaja liquid liner. So now that that is on, I'm a little curious to see how it... Okay, so now that my liner is on, I want to go over it with an eyeshadow. Normally I would go on with my Natasha Denona Black is Black, but I want to try something fun. So I'm going to grab my Morphe M36 brush, M326 brush, and I'm going to go in with, I call it a bus, and it's their black in the palette, but it's got glitter in it. I'm going to see how this goes. I'm going to start out here on the outer. Ooh, you know, digging it. It works. I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm gonna pull off my shadow shields. So pretty. And as you can see, my my situation under my eyelids is a situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup on my lashes, and we'll be back to finish the lower lash line. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line now. I'm going to grab my R41 brush, and I'm gonna start out with On Toast. Just start buffing this onto the lower lash line. And then grab my JH43 brush. I'm gonna take Goodbye Cruel World. I don't normally go in with like a shimmer, but I'm vibing with it. Now I'm just gonna apply my lashes. And then I'm just gonna set my face. I'm just gonna use my MAC Fix Plus. I'm gonna apply my highlighter here really quickly. I'm just gonna go in with my Jouer Molten Glow. I think it goes perfectly with this look. And then I'm gonna apply just a little bit onto my inner corner. Okay, and then for lips, I'm gonna go in with the I Am Beautiful lip kit. And I'm gonna start out with the lip liner called Lucky Rat Tail. And then I'm going to go in with the lipstick in the color Sarah. I just have to show you how cute this packaging is on this. The theming of this is so adorable. Alright, that's like spot on. Okay, so this is it for this first look. That's more of like a neutral look that you could wear kind of more on your day-to-day basis depending on what you are going for. I love the glitters and how this whole look pulled together. The theming of this collection is just so fun. Gather around, sisters. If you wanted this palette and you got it, I hope that you are enjoying it and that this gives you a look that you can wear around on your day-to-day life. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I'd love to talk to you guys. Hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell to join the Allie Ann clan. And I see you guys in the next one. Bye.